Are you, do you want me to be like, hey, this is Coxie? Or like,
either or, whatever
you happy for that? Hey guys, I'm down here this morning. We're about to go to brekkie laps and do some roll racing. We're here with my mate Coxie. There he is. He's the one in my last video that helped me pick up that Intec 4 litre. So anyway, we're gonna start, we're gonna give the car a quick spray down because I ran out of time to wash it, and probably won't rub it down with the brush, but you know, needs a paint job anyway.
65, 6600 RPM, so about here.
Alright, we've just been told we can go race now. Watch everyone run like ants. Alright, so we've had a bit of an issue already. On the second pull racing Rob, I did feel something funny going on in the rear end. I do think something's happened with the diff. So I'm just going to try and limp the car home. It's still drivable, but it does have a vibration. And after last time, I don't particularly want any driveline failures at high speed. So we're going to try and limp it home and get there safely. So. This thing's pretty cool. Subi's on fire. Oh man, he's running. Man, I feel for this guy. That's so shit. Oh no, I hope they get there. Put it out. Oh, they've got an how good's this other bloke in his blue, in the blue car? He stopped to bring him an extinguisher. Good on you, mate. Shit. Oh man. I don't know if they put it out or not, but they might have slowed it down there. Yeah, I like that about the car community. How people like fucking help each other. No one wants to see another bloke's car burn. Usain Bolt dash back from that other blue car. Hey, he was moving. Oh, yeah, for sure. Oh, definitely. Oh, shit. I think it's slowed down. Hood's open. So they've stopped it. Oh shit. Hopefully it's just loom damage and stuff. Hopefully it didn't damage the body of the car. It's a fair bit of smoke though. A good start to the morning for everyone here on Brekkie Laps, unfortunately. Rob's had his clutch slipping, so he had to come off. I had a weird vibration in my diff that I wasn't comfortable with running. Actually, it would have broken. I think I got under the car, had a look. There's a bit of play in the diff. Don't know why. Not sure. Only got 2 runs in, unfortunately, but that's the way it is. I definitely didn't have it as bad as this poor bloke over here who's had his car like catch fire, unfortunately. But luckily the fireys here put it out, and actually it's probably lucky that the other guys were nice enough to pull up and offer their assistance. These guys are admiring other people's cars and playing. So the good thing is, the guys seem to survive. Pretty good run today, guy. Alright, so we got it home, thankfully. Took a little bit of caressing and careful driving to get back. We did 70 the whole way home. A little bit of vibration, unfortunately, so we just jumped under it then. I'm gonna have to try and work out what's going on, but it does seem to be the diff, so time to pull the cradle again. Alright guys, thanks for watching that one. Sorry that we didn't get a ton of racing in, but you know, it's the way it goes. I'm keen to get into this 4-litre build as well, which we can do in the meantime while I'm fixing the GT. So if you want to see that, make sure you check it out. See you next time.